So there's the tower they relocated. I think it used to be over here somewhere back in the day. This is going to become a park. And they built a nice deck here for a viewing platform. So they did save a piece of history. And this is it here. You catch eastbound and westbounds. We got a eastbound there on the tracks on the further end. So we got Amtrak, we got Mark, and CSX coming through here. Usually between 10 and 2 o'clock you get some pretty heavy freight traffic. And then towards the evening, a couple in the morning. I bring the grandkids down here. 11 o'clock, we sit in the parking lot, set up. Catch about 4 trains. There's another view. Pretty big festival today. All right, we got a train backing up now. Here's another view of the tower. Yeah, this is a nice area for rail fanning. So in the Legion there, they got some displays set up. I think they got G scale, O scale, but we'll check that out a little later. All right, catch you in a bit.